Thutha wa igoti inene gutua Maumirira ma kura cia president magatangathirwo ceceni-ini cia kuhura kura cira-ini uria wandikithitio ni mwaho wa NASA, kamiti ya IEBC ni yareganire na itua riri na magicokia cira riko makienda Maumirira maya makanirirwo ni muikariri giti wa IEBC. No itua riri rirekereirio ni majaji atano igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko aria marathikagiriria cira uyu ni rireganite na riendekithia ria IEBC makiuga itumi iria maheanite ti nginyaniru. Gukiri uu ni matuite ati Maumirira ma president maria makanirirwo ceceni-ini cia guikia kura nimo ma muthia na matingicenjio.
The lowest voting unit and the first level of declaration of presidential election results is the polling station. The declaration form containing those results is a primary document, and all other forms subsequent to it are only tallies of the original and final results recorded at the polling station.
Maugite ya IEBC kuga arugamiriria ithurano maume okuria mari marehe Maumirira maya Nairobi niguo moke matarwo ni wira murito amu ni gucokera wira uria magakorwo marutite ceceni-ini cia guikia kura.
To suggest that there is some law that empowers the chairperson of the appellant as an individual to alone correct, vary, confirm, alter, modify or adjust the results electronically transmitted to the National Tallying Center from the constituency tallying centers is to donate an illegitimate power. Such a suggestion would introduce opaqueness and arbitrariness to the electoral process.
Atongoria a mwaho wa NASA ni magathiririe itua riri ria igoti ria gucokia macira riko makiuga ni uhotani munene mwena wao hari gutigirira Maumirira ma githurano ni magakorwo na waragania. No kamiti ya IEBC yugite kurio gutire kuhotwo kana kuhotana amukiria marendaga ni igoti ritaure uria watho ugite.
I'm told it's a very long judgment. We shall go through it and see what areas the Court of Appeal has clarified. So for us it's not a win or lose situation. For us it is the clarification of the articles of the Constitution and the Elections Act.
O hindi yo ino igoti inene ni riregete kurugamia ucabithia wa maratathi ma kura cira-ini uria wandikithitio ni mwaho wa NASA makienda kandarathi ya kambuni ya Gurai iteanirio. Ona kuri uguo mucirithania George Odunga ni athanite fairo cia cira uyu ineano kuri mucirithania munene niguo amure acirithania atatu akuthikiriria kuri mucirithania munene David Maraga amurite George Odunga, John Mativo na Joel Goge mathikiririe cira uyu. Cira uyu ugakorwo githikiririo ringi tariki 27 mweri-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV retwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.